Low light image quality from the A7S II is so good. Sometimes I forget how good it is. I haven't used the A7S II for a long time since I got the GH5. So I thought, let's use the A7S II a little bit more. But one thing is that there's a problem. I want to vlog with this camera, but there's no flip out screen. So for example, when I'm sitting here talking to the camera, I don't know if I'm in focus. Maybe I have been out of focus the whole time talking to you right now, and I couldn't know. So that's why I purchased a mirror for the A7S II. It's costs about 14 euros from Amazon, and just slap it on the cold shoe, hot shoe, and I'm gonna just see myself from the top mirror, and I flip out the monitor. I can mount the microphone on top of the mirror. On the mirror there is a cold shoe, so should be very neat. I can just vlog, talk to this camera at home. Should be very neat. Plus we have all those nice lights in the back. Looks pretty nice with the combination of the Tamron 28 275 f2.8. Very wide aperture. If I don't use the advantage of the wide aperture, it will be a waste. So yeah, A7S II is making a comeback. Stay tuned. Hello everyone, I bought this little mirror for selfie kind of video shoot for my A7S II. So I can see myself finally with the A7S II. I also considered buying an external monitor, but those kind of things cost at least $100, so I thought, why not find a cheaper solution? And here it is. Okay, here it is. It is, well, it's plastic. It's not particularly, high quality. It's, yeah, feels like cheap plastic. And here we have a protection of the mirror. Peel that off, and the mirror looks very shiny and nice. Let's mount it on the A7S II and see how it looks. Okay, here it is. That's the mirror mounted on top of the camera. It's very light, the mirror. The mirror itself is light, but it's pretty big actually on top of the camera. It looks a little bit big. But it actually works. It works pretty well. I can see myself through the mirror. I don't know if you can see it right now. But we're gonna switch over to A7S II and I'll show you. And just to show you what it looks like on top of the camera. Here's the mirror, and then you have the microphone. Yeah, it's quite a big setup, a big chunk. And it comes out from the back as well, of course, because you have the mirror element. Right now you're looking at the footage from the A7S II, and I'm using the mirror, and it actually works. It's pretty cool. I can see myself. Well, it's not a perfect solution, but it definitely works. Definitely works. And I'm glad I chose this. It's pretty cool. I wish I bought this earlier. I could have vlogged with this camera long ago. Now I can just shoot this kind of video at home with the A7S II, and I don't have to worry about the focus because I know that I'm in focus now. I'm 100% sure. So yeah, this is a huge help with my video production. The plastic is a little bit flimsy. As I said, it's not expensive plastic. It's not premium looking, and I feel like it could break very easily. So I don't really want to bring it out every day with me, going out, and I just feel like it doesn't belong on the camera 24 hours. I can adjust the angle of the monitors. I can find a better angle. It's actually not perfectly aligned. The monitor is a little bit to the right of the mirror. They should have designed it better, but this kind of product is cheap product. It costs only 16 euros. I think it's a very good solution, cheap solution. It's definitely I recommend anyone to buy this. It's if you want to see yourself when you're shooting with the old model of Sony cameras, I can see, well, why not? It's a great solution. Yeah, it's a very handy, very convenient. But I don't think I'm gonna bring this out on a shoot every day, because how absurd it looks. It just it's a big chunk on top of the camera, and then I just don't want to break this thing. Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.